promise that we will best friend forever, okay?
Okay, no matter what, you're my other half. This is me.
And this is me.
Promise?
Promise.
Uy, pre.
Uy, pre, ano yung pre?
Bagong transfer daw ah.
Maganda ba, pre?
Hindi ko alam, pre. Sa GC ko lang narinig yung balita eh.
Sige, pre. Una na ako. May subject pa ako mamaya.
Ah, ganun ba, pre? Sige, pre. Ako rin eh.
Sige, pre.
Pre.
Dito na ako, guys. Hey, sorry, miss. Kayo, okay?
Thank you.
Good day, class. I'm your new homeroom teacher. I'm Mr. Kenneth Luciano. How are you today, class?
We are good, sir.
That's okay, class. So today, class, I'm gonna introduce to you your new classmate. She's from Canada and she's a new transfer in our school. So Miss Jazzy, may you come in?
Hi everyone, I'm Jazzy. I'm the transferee. I hope we can all be friends and please be good to me.
That's a wonderful introduction, class. So Miss Jazzy, may you sit down beside Mr. Ronaldo.
Thank you. Hi. Don't you mind if I join you? Hi. Don't you remember me? I'm Jazzy, your friend.
Jazzy from elementary.
Yeah, it's me.
It's been a while.
Hi.
Can I join? Jassy, right?
Hi.
By the way, Janet nga pala.
Where are you going?
I have something to do.
Okay. Guys, let's go together. Hey, are you mad? Did something happen? Are you okay? Can you stop? There's someone annoying. Leave me alone.
Action.
Is that the guy right?
Who's gay?
The one who cheated in exam. Yeah, that's so embarrassing.
Watch it, cheater.
What did you say?
Cheater. You're a cheater. You're a plenty cheater.
Hey, take that back.
Why would I be? Gavilin said that. So why would I be?
Hey, is it true? You're spreading rumors about me being a cheater? What?
No, of course not.
Then why would other students blame you if it's not you?
Okay, fine. I did it. Because you stole John Lloyd from me.
What?
Yes, John Lloyd is my longtime crush. And she stole it from me.
And because of that, you ruined my reputation. You spread some bullshit about me. How unbelievable are you? I hate your guts.
Is it true ba na ikaw yung nagpakalat ng fake news about kay Jassy sa mga GC?
Yes, I am.
And why would you do that? Best friend ka niya.
You wanna know why, huh? Because I like you. I like you to the point that I ruined her to everyone. And I feel guilty for that.
Unbelievable.
Hey, Javelin, right? How are you?
Do I look okay to you?
I don't think so. Um, I heard the news. I'm sorry for what happened to you and your best friend. Um, I know what you did was wrong, but remember that you are not the only one here to blame, or you're not the only one who made mistakes. You spread rumors or fake news, and they bite the news without knowing the other side of the story. So next time, if you're going to post fake news online or using media platforms,
Just think twice or think about the consequences of your actions before doing it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Being responsible means carefully considering the potential outcomes of our actions before posting in any media platforms. Nowadays, many people share information without pausing to think about consequences. However, if individuals were more knowledgeable about media literacy, they would understand its importance. Media literacy goes beyond simply accessing and understanding media messages. It involves analyzing them critically, creating content truthfully, reflecting on its impact, and taking action responsibly. By embracing media literacy, we can harness the power of information and communication to positively influence the people.